Let's explore some incredible 3D prints you can sell and discover why they present such a fantastic opportunity. First up, you can sell dual flip names. Let me share a quick story about one of the experiences. I once received an order from a viewer after she saw a dual flip name video on the channel. She wanted a memorable gift for her boyfriend who was going abroad. She told me she could pay whatever I wanted. She just wanted something special with both their names on it as a keychain. I created that keychain for her at a very low cost, and you know what? I made a great profit from it. Moments like these really show the potential of what you can achieve with a 3D printer. Next, let's discuss about customized tabletops. These are fantastic products for business people looking to enhance their workspace. They often order personalized tabletops to display their brand logo or create a unique atmosphere in their office. Custom tabletops can also be a great addition to cafes and restaurants, allowing them to showcase their identity and attract customers. One of the most exciting aspects of work is making human miniatures. When I first started making these, I honestly thought I wouldn't attract many customers. I initially started by gifting the friends and family, but then something amazing happened. I began to receive more orders after showcasing the work on YouTube. Before I knew it, I had so many orders that I barely had time to keep up. People were even competing to pay more for these custom miniatures. The best part, I received tons of appreciation from the customers, both online and in person. When I gift these miniatures, people remember me every time they see me. Selling human miniatures is not just about making money, it's about creating and spreading memories. I received a lot of orders during Valentine's Day, with many customers requesting miniatures of their girls. This creates a great opportunity to charge a higher price during special occasions. Next, let's talk about customized 3D prints for student projects. During the college days, I often found myself spending money to make 3D printed parts for the projects whenever needed. Now, I am earning by creating 3D prints for the juniors, helping them enhance their projects with the work. Entrepreneurs often test their models by placing orders for 3D prints before committing to larger scale production, such as injection molding. We can expect to receive regular orders from entrepreneurs as they prepare to launch their products. Let's not forget about Lithophanes. Imagine giving a beautifully crafted moonlight lithophane as a special, customized gift for married couples. It's a unique way to light up their love story. Now, let's shine a spotlight on custom keychains. These personalized name keychains make perfect additions to bags and purses, adding a special touch that reflects individual style. Everyone loves to have something unique, and these keychains are a fantastic way to express that. Moving on to doll keychains, I have seen people requesting customized keychains for their bike keys too. These little treasures not only keep your keys organized but also serve as a fun and personal accessory that stands out wherever you go. Finally, let's discuss flexible toys for kids. These toys are not just fun. They are designed to spark creativity and imagination. The flexibility allows kids to bend and shape them into various forms, keeping them engaged for hours and fostering their playtime adventures. Now, let's take a moment to showcase all the incredible 3D prints we can sell. You will see a variety of options, including dual flip names, human miniatures, and custom keychains. I encourage everyone to take a quick look and capture a screenshot of this slide. This could be the starting point for your very own startup. Before we dive into the exciting details about how to earn money with 3D printing, I want to hear from you. Do you already own a printer? Are you planning to buy one? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribers, if you don't have a 3D printer, don't worry. I am here to help you out. Just scroll through the video to discover how you can earn money even without owning a 3D printer. There are amazing opportunities waiting for you. Imagine this: with your 3D printer, you have the potential to create stunning human miniatures that can be sold for anywhere between $60 to $240. Now, the amazing part is that the cost to create one of these miniatures is just about $5. Yes, you heard that right. The profit margin is enormous. Let's break it down. It takes approximately 3 hours to design a customized miniature, and the printing process usually takes around 15 hours. If you are fortunate enough to have multiple printers, you could easily produce 3 miniatures in that time frame. Picture this: if you manage to sell each miniature for an average of $100, that could translate to a whopping $300 for just a couple of hours of your time. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable income stream. If you approach this as a startup, you can establish a solid business model. For subscribers who don't have a 3D printer but still want to earn money, listen up. This is an incredible opportunity for you. Just like a hungry lion can catch a deer more easily than a full buffalo. If you are eager to earn without a printer, I have got the perfect cheat code for you, just like in the games you love. Did you know that with just a laptop you can start earning money? But before I dive into the details, let's think like a businessman for a moment. Imagine this: if you could earn $30 from 5,000 customers, that would total a whopping $150,000. Sounds challenging? Well, what if you priced your models at $15 each for 10,000 customers, still $150,000? Or even at $10 for 15,000 customers, the potential is incredible. The world is vast, filled with affluent individuals ready to spend. So, how can you tap into this market? It's simple. You can post your 3D model files on the Cult's 3D website and set your own prices. People will pay for your designs, or they may hire you to create customized models just for them. In fact, I have already had 2 customers purchase the 3D model files. They each paid me $30 for a model I had initially offered for free on Cult's 3D. This just goes to show that the world is abundant with opportunities waiting to be seized. I am here to guide you through this journey and show you how to reach even more customers. Just take a look at the comments to see how many people are eager for miniatures. So, make sure to follow the channel and join me in this exciting adventure. Here's what you need to get started on your 3D printing journey. First and foremost, a laptop with at least 8 GB RAM is essential. Why? Because when you are working with complex projects in software like Blender, having more RAM allows the program to run smoothly and efficiently. It makes the design process faster, letting your creativity flow without unnecessary hiccups. Next, you will need a 3D printer. This is where the magic happens. A good printer will bring your designs to life, transforming your digital creations into tangible objects that you can sell or showcase. You will also want to have some acrylic paints on hand. These are perfect for adding vibrant colors and personal touches to your 3D prints, allowing you to customize each piece to match your vision. Finally, don't forget about clear varnish. This is the finishing touch that not only enhances the appearance of your prints, but also protects them, giving them a nice sheen and durability. With these tools, you are all set to embark on your exciting 3D printing adventure. Now, Let's talk about the skills you will need to succeed in this journey. First, you will need 3D modeling skills, and don't worry, I will teach you everything you need to know right here on this channel. Next up are painting skills. I will be recording handy sessions to guide you through the painting process, making it easy and enjoyable for you. And lastly, social media skills are crucial for reaching your customers. I know many of you are already masters in this area. If you can, please share the videos with your network and influencers to help me grow too. Together, we can create an amazing community. I invite you to check out my especially created playlist titled 3D Prints You Can Sell. So, what are you waiting for? Just click and dive into the playlist.